What about soup, though? I don't know. Campbell
can.
Soup stock dipping today after fiscal year earnings guidance fell below Wall Street expectations. The shares down 8%. The packaged food company's report shows that consumers may be balking at recent price hikes and turning to private label soups instead. Imagine that. I mean, it's not soup season per se, unless you're going for a nice gazpacho, which I don't believe comes in a can. Last time I checked, unless you're just not heating the classic tomato soup
just pouring it out the can.
From Campbell. But as I look at, among other things, the forecast that the company is coming out with for the full year, it is unchanged. And analysts were hoping for a little bit more on that front. So that's another thing that's not helping matters this morning.
Yeah, I was tracking this one pre-market as well. I mean, this is a company that allocates about 5 to 7% of my brain. Good Camden, New Jersey-based company. And I think for what we have seen them cite in this most recent quarter, it was some of the product mix as well. The company's CEO saying that the year-to-date results and execution give them confidence in the ability to deliver on their full-year guidance. So that a good thing, perhaps, that investors can try to hold fast to. With adjusted EPS tracking currently towards the upper end of their guidance range here. But it was particularly interesting to note some of the areas where they did see some of the volume mix shifts, and that I think some of the investors might have been latching onto, as well as the margins, the gross profit margin. That saw some slippage year over year in comps as well.
Yeah.
Also, our Brian Sazi, he's going to be talking to Campbell Soup Company CEO Mark Klaus. That's tomorrow, 9:35 a.m. Eastern Time. We're going to have all of that discussion, plus the results, the state of the consumer, and much more. And perhaps we'll put the gazpacho question to him as well. Why not?